Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best organic dog food that are available on the market for their true quality. It's list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Purina Beyond Organic Wet Dog Food. Purina Beyond Organic Wet Dog Food, featuring an organic chicken and sweet potato adult recipe ground entree with broth, ranks as the #1 choice for the best organic dog food in 2024. This natural non-GMO dog food provides complete and balanced nutrition for adult dogs, comprising high-quality ingredients raised as nature intended. With USDA organic certification and non-GMO project verification, this wet dog food contains no prohibited synthetic pesticides or fertilizers, antibiotics, growth hormones, artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. Dog owners can trust Purina Beyond to provide their pets with purposeful nutrition that aligns with their values. The product stands out for its use of organic free-range chicken raised without antibiotics as the primary ingredient. Additionally, it offers a nutrient-rich and wholesome diet without corn, wheat, soy, or poultry byproduct meal. Moving on at number 4, we have the Tender and True Pet Nutrition Small Breed Organic Chicken Recipe Dog Food. Tender and True Pet Nutrition Small Breed Organic Chicken Recipe Dog Food stands out for its commitment to organic, humanely raised chicken as the primary ingredient. This grain-free recipe is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals tailored for small breed dogs, offering optimum nutrition at every life stage. The bite-sized kibble is perfect for small furry friends and contains no artificial preservatives, colors, or flavors, a clear benefit for pet owners aiming to provide wholesome meals. At number 3, we have the Evanger's Organics Beef Dinner for Dogs. Evanger's Organics Beef Dinner for Dogs, 12.5 ounces, pack of 12, is a top choice for dog owners seeking organic, nutritionally balanced meals for their beloved pets. Formulated to meet the nutritional levels for all life stages, this product offers the convenience of portion adjustment, making it suitable for puppies, pregnant and nursing dogs, as well as less active or older dogs. At number 2, we have the Salmon and Duck Canned Dog Food. Salmon and Duck Canned Dog Food is a nutrient-dense, grain and gluten-free option that's ideal for pet owners looking for top-quality organic meals. Made in the USA with locally sourced ingredients, this pet food reflects commitment to sustainable practices. The 12.5 ounces cans ensure convenient portioning and storage, while the added vitamins and minerals meet OFCO guidelines for a complete and balanced diet. This delightful meal combines selectively sourced salmon, duck, and organic produce to cater even to picky eaters. Its limited ingredient formula promotes digestive health, making it an excellent choice for dogs with sensitive stomachs. With its emphasis on sustainability and high-quality nutrition, Organic Salmon and Duck Dinner for Dogs represents one of the best organic dog food options available today. And finally, at number 1, we have the ACANA Butcher's Favorites Dry Dog Food. ACANA Butcher's Favorites Dry Dog Food is a premium, protein-rich option made in the USA with high-quality ingredients. This recipe features farm-raised beef and liver alongside Yorkshire pork, providing a delicious mix of dry kibble and tender beef jerky pieces that dogs love. The balanced blend of animal and plant ingredients supports digestive health and healthy weight management, and promotes healthy skin and coat, crucial benefits for your beloved pet. As a dog owner seeking top-notch nutrition for your furry companion in 2024, ACANA Butcher's Favorite stands out among the best organic dog foods. Its emphasis on real meat sources combined with nutrient-rich plant ingredients sets it apart as an optimal choice for maintaining your dog's overall well-being. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.